What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk No Premium, on Twitter and our Wolves of Wealth Discord, and welcome to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. I switched up my intro, and I don't really give a fuck if you liked it or not, but we're gonna give you the same money info that you need because all we said yesterday on the Sunday sermon was what? And I'm not one to toot my own home, but Tweedledee, Tweedledum, Tootie Doo, motherfucker, I told you. 417, and we're going to go down. We dropped 6 points off there. But one thing I do want to know that is not a huge indicator of mine. I'm more of just a simple moving average guy, but it's been brought to my attention that we did have this blue dotted line right here. I'm sorry, not dotted, pardon. This blue, solid blue. Okay. Any solid line on my chart, like this red one, this yellow one, would be exponential moving average, EMAs. Okay, yellow solid being the 8 EMA and the red solid being the 21 EMA. Well, we have the 200-day EMA. And by golly, could it have not been placed more perfectly? And it bounced right off that level. So tomorrow, now what do we have? Well, 417 is still a short. Okay. 408 to 410 is still a buy, in my opinion. Okay. And here's why. On the homework, on the Sunday sermon, we said what? We said, this is what's probably going to happen. Okay. We spent the whole time in this range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this being the 8 candle, right? And this candle going down led into the CPI. Okay. Not saying it happens tomorrow that we crater into CPI, but we do have CPI. So CPI is the catalyst coming out on Wednesday in the pre-market that could send us one way or the other. Okay. Send us one way or the other. My general lean is a little bearish. Okay. I still think we're below our 200-day moving average, 432, and then our 200 EMA, exponential moving average, 417. So I would think if we get through 417, we're probably just going to scoot right on up to 430 area. That's just me. Now, we will play the price action as it is presented to us. Tomorrow and Wednesday, you will not come out and say the market's only going to go down. Okay. If we come out near support, okay, right? If we come out either near 411 today's low or Friday's low, right? I would think, right, you would want to look at the call side there. Okay, look at the call side. But tomorrow, guys, tomorrow for me, for everyone in the community, I'm going to tell you this. We had a nice, like range in here today. I mean, we saw the action that happened after our initial drop. So I just want to, let me just scoot back on out here for y'all, right? Sorry. Initial drop. Okay, very nice drop, right? We had to wait this one out a little bit. We had to wait it out. But we initially got the drop, very nice. Then we stayed in this, what, 412 to 413, 44. We stayed in this little range for all the afternoon. I expect tomorrow to be like this. A move in the morning, okay, or soon thereafter the open, and then a base into CPI. Okay, a base into CPI. So tomorrow I will be looking at, if we hold the overnight, what happens at, yesterday's lows being about 412 today. Okay. Anywhere from 408, 409, I would look to get long. I would look to sell 417 again. Very simple stuff, guys. Do not ruin the opportunity to trade in a range. Okay. It's written on the wall. We said 417 was the biggest short, and we had the nicest short trade. Okay. So now tomorrow, I think we get a range day. Wednesday, though, we do have CPI. So let's see what happens there. From the macro, I'll just give you some macro levels in case we get super funky tomorrow. I don't know. It could happen. Okay. In case we want to get funky, right? I would think above 417, we instantly try the weekly. I believe it's the weekly 20 is going to be. Oh, no, excuse me. It's the monthly 20. My apologies. The monthly 20 MA is up here at 424. So over 417, I would think 420, 424. Then above there, we have the weekly 50, like we said on the sermon yesterday, is up here 433. The daily 200-day moving average above that is up there at 434. Now, if we want to go lower, really simple. 407. Okay. I think we go straight down to 400. Then 398, the 20-day moving average. Then 393 is the 50-day moving average on the daily. Very simple levels there. Guys, get your levels right. Okay. Get up bright and early in the pre-market. Get your pre-market levels and don't do anything stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.